Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Octopus card in Hong Kong. To begin, you can easily purchase an Octopus card at any MTR station or most convenient stores. You'll choose between an on-loan card, which requires a small refundable deposit, or a sold card, which is yours to keep. Consider your travel duration to decide which option suits you best for your visit. Once you have your card, topping it up is simple. You can add value at MTR stations, convenience stores like 7-Eleven, or even through the official Octopus app. When traveling, just tap your card on the reader at MTR gates, on buses, trams, or ferries. It's also accepted for purchases at many shops and restaurants, making it incredibly versatile. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, for those who love efficiency, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Keeping track of your balance is easy. You can check it at any MTR station, convenience store, or directly through the Octopus app on your phone. If you have an on-loan card and are leaving Hong Kong, you can get a refund for any remaining value and your deposit at MTR customer service centers. Just be aware a small handling fee might apply for early refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.